tank's back on. It's not leaking, so that's good. I'm going to tidy up my mess. We've got electrons, and then we'll try cranking it, but I want to tidy up my mess first. First start video. Let's go a little bit of choke. And see what she does. I'm nervous. What have I done wrong? I'm not here to stress the bike out, so I'll let the battery charge up and see what we've got. Well, this might take a while because it's just on a nice slow charge. So we might see you in the next video, or we might see some more cranking, let's see. So just for fun, whilst the battery's charging, I thought we would have a look at the plug. Tell you that ain't so bad, and we're just going to check for spark. So I'm just going to line the plug up somewhere. The faffery is huge, isn't it? And we'll see if we get a little spark out of it. Okay, ignition on, and just give it a crank. Yeah, perfect. So we got a spark, so which is great. So it's fuel related, and to be fair, I don't smell any petrol. Maybe it just hasn't worked its way through. What happens is you start second guessing yourself as you work on these things, and given the complexity of everything, you think, have I plugged something in? Have I not plugged something in? So, can I put a spark plug in a spark plug hole? Bit of finger action. Get in there. Put the cap back on. Cool. Give it more fuel. Give it the good stuff. Okay, fully charged. Hope we get some fuel at some point. Oh dear, oh dear. Yes! Okay, self-doubt, you know how it is. Next job is to road test it. I'm not going to have a chance today, and tomorrow it has rained, so it'll be the day after. So that was good. Silly me. I put fuel in it, thinking I put enough in, and I hadn't. Thank you for watching.